Hello everyone, Grandma here. It's April Fool's Day and Grandpa loves chocolate pudding. And I have this recipe using avocados. So let's see if we can fool Grandpa. The first thing I have to do is you have to have a medium bowl and you have to put all the ingredients. Just add all the ingredients. That's how easy it is. It's 2 large ripe avocados, peeled and pitted, which I already did. So I'll put it in the bowl. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, and then 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna, oh look what I just did, all over. The powder went all over. I want to just mix it up a little. You can use a food processor, but I'm going to use my immersion blender instead of a food processor to mix this all up. Okay, the pudding has all been blended well. I scraped some of the sides up. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to fill the pudding in my little Tupperware containers because they have lids that seal, and it says to transfer the pudding into a sealed container and cool for up to an hour, at least an hour. So I'm going to I like to put my pudding in these little containers. So this is a nice, easy pudding to make. If you have the ingredients in the house, you just mix it all together and chill it. And then we'll put our lid on top. And you have to give them a little burp, these Tupperware containers. What I like about these containers are they're stackable, so they're great to put in the refrigerator. These containers hold about 1/2 cup, which is just perfect. It's a perfect serving. We're going to see if we could April Fool him later on today. And here we made 3/2 cups of the pudding that's going in the refrigerator for at least an hour. How does the chocolate pudding taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It tastes very chocolatey, thick. Tastes like semi-sweet chocolate or cocoa. It tastes very good, Ma. Nice and chocolatey, just how I like my pudding.
Can you tell me what's in it?
Well, from what I know how you make pudding, we got milk in here. Got cocoa in here.
That's right.
Maybe semi-sweet chocolate in here. What makes the thickness? I don't know. That's all I can think of. Because I know how I made my homemade puddings. I know I have the cocoa, I have the milk, different types of chocolate. It tastes very good, Ma. Very chocolatey, or cocoa, or semi-sweet chocolate. Very rich chocolate, whatever you put in here, or the type of cocoa you use. I don't know. I can't tell other than knowing how we make homemade chocolate pudding with cocoa or semi-sweet chocolate or with milk or cream, depending upon. But this come out very nice and thick, very chocolatey.
Well, I'll let you know. It's made with avocados.
Avocados? You kidding
Yeah.
me?
No,
Well, I can't tell what an avocado is anyway, so.
what do you mean? You eat
It's
avocados?
Yeah, but it's hidden with the chocolate that you added to it. The chocolate overpowers the avocado. The avocado probably is what's making it nice and thick.
And the other ingredients is some cinnamon.
I can't tell cinnamon. So you said it's just a little bit, whatever the chocolate that you put into the...
You can't taste the cinnamon in it?
No. Not with my palate,
So
my
okay.
taste buds.
So all you're tasting is chocolate.
That's all I'm tasting is the chocolate, very rich chocolate. Very nice, nice flavor to it. You'd probably surprise a lot of other people besides me if you gave it to them for a taste test. They wouldn't pick off avocado. No way.
Glad you like it and you were fooled.